What are you doing, Jackie?
I'm walking up.
What are you and Daddy doing out here on this hill?
We're sledding.
Is it so much fun?
Uh-huh.
How old are you?
3.
3.
Try again.
There's
That one
Daddy.
was fast, wasn't it, dude?
Uh-huh.
Here, come here.
Let me see your mask. Cool, dude. No, don't take it
no,
off.
it's all right. Don't take it off. Here, we gotta push your.
Did that keep the snow out of your face?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you look so super cool. Let me fix it.
Hey, that hurt.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay, get on with Daddy.
I don't know where I'm going.
Can you not see?
You want to take this with you, Daddy, or do you think you can handle it?
No, I don't think I can.
Okay.
I can't see.
Okay, I'm right here.
Mommy
Here.
will help you.
Can you help me?
Yeah,
I can help
here.
you.
We won't go until we can see.
Here, look. What's wrong? Up here?
No, I can't see the handle.
There you go. You got it?
No.
There's one. There's one. Get that one. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Are you
All
ready?
right.
Uh-huh.
Are you
Say
sure?
Geronimo.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, magical stuff. Was that fun?
That was not funny, Mommy.
It wasn't funny?
That was not funny, Mommy.
Oh, I wasn't laughing.
He can't handle it if he gets snow in his face.
Yeah.
I mean,
You ready to go home and have some hot chocolate?
No, not yet. I will try the red one.
Try the red one? Okay. Well, we got to get something on your head. It's too cold to have nothing on your head. Okay?
Yeah.
he did go